Alright guys, what's up? Here's a quick video of the LiftMaster garage door opener here at my grandma's house here. As you can see, my mom pulled her car in the basement because my dad had to pull the truck up front and he had to bring a trailer, so yeah, I got two of the remotes here. I'm gonna run it up and down. I don't want to wrap it down too much, so I don't want the burner matter out, so we'll go ahead and run it up here. We'll run it from the outside down one time. Oh, it's raining. I gotta make it quick, so we'll do this one first. Open it back with the other one. There's the sensors. All right, I'm gonna run it down one last time and that's it. I don't want to burn the motor out, so hope you all enjoyed. So here we go. Get the body out. All right, that's all I'm doing. I don't want to burn the motor out, so sensors. All right, remote opener and button. All right, guys. So there y'all go. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed until then. That's it.